Hello! Jay here for your Phuket weekly weather update. It's the first week of December. It's almost Christmas, well it will be soon. And look at the weather. Look at that behind me. That is blue sky, which is lovely. I know what you're asking. What's the weather going to be like for the rest of the week? Well, if you stay tuned for the next 7 to 8 to 9, maybe 10 minutes, then I'm going to tell you. But before that, I'm going to show you some more blue sky. But you also want to see what's going on with my pineapples. That's right. I know you want to know what's going on with my pineapples, so I'm going to show you. Because we can maybe have pina coladas soon. That's right. I like pina colada. Caught in the rain. Do, 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 do. If you're not into your... Just look. Look. Look at that. Look how blue that is. Beautiful blue sky. First week of December. Woo woo. Look. This is pineapple number 1. It's beautiful, isn't it? And let's go. Oh, there's Mischief. Hello, Mischief. Mischief's gone. Let's go look at pineapple number 2, which is up here. Look at that. Pineapple number 2. Right, that's enough of pineapples. Let's go see what the weather's doing. Woo woo! Blue sky! I think I just realised it's not the first week of December, is it? That was last week, so this is the second week of December. So have I messed that intro up, or do I have to go and redo it or not? First week of December? I'm not sure, because it's the 7th today, on Sunday the 7th of December. So that means there's been a week of December already. So I really messed up the whole intro. Anyway, welcome to the second week of December. It's Christmas soon. Woo-woo! There you go. Right, we're on windy. Why are we on windy? Because we always look at windy because this dictates where the wind's coming from, which shows us if it's going to be bumpy and it shows if it's going to bring any rain or not. I don't think there's going to be much rain this week, that's for sure. Right, so windy, if it's purple, that's good, that's no wind. If it's blue, that's still not really much wind. If it's a little bit green, that's a little bit of wind. If it's yellow, that's more wind. And if it's orange, there's lots of wind. And if it's burgundy, if it's Ron Burgundy...
I'm Ron Burgundy?
I left a gap there so Miguel could put a Ron Burgundy thing in. And it's really windy. And there is some burgundy around in the area, but nothing in our little area. So, this is Phang Nga here, this is Phi Phi here, Phuket's obviously here, and the Andaman Islands, that's right! We're about to talk about the Andaman Islands, which I haven't talked for the last 6 months, but they have been open since October the 15th. But now's a good time to go and visit the Andaman Islands. As you can see, it's blue and purple all the way there, which means it's quite flat, which is good because it is a 2-hour drive, a 2-hour boat ride to the Andaman Islands. So it is quite a long thing. Is it worth it? Yeah, it is nice. Are there other places that are just as good? Yeah, there are. But look, people want to go to the Andaman Islands. So if you want to go, then this week's a good week to go, or any time in December or January. But enough about the Andaman Islands. Let's look at the weather for Sunday the 7th, the second week of December. And as you can see, it looks very nice. This is Sunday morning as we record this. Let's look at Sunday afternoon. Wowzers! Sunday afternoon looks awesome Dawson. Looks amazing down in Phi Phi, amazing in Phang Nga Bay. So today's a great day to go out. If you're not out today, then unlucky. But then again, if you're watching this and I've said today on the Monday or the Tuesday, then don't go out today unless it's, you know what day it is. I'm confusing myself. Anyway, Monday the 8th. A little bit of wind in the morning, so it might be a little bit bumpy down to Phi Phi, but I wouldn't say it's too much. It's still a very light green. Monday afternoon, the green disperses. Oh, it's nice and purpley on the way to Andaman Islands. That looks quite good. Nothing to worry about on Monday the 8th. Tuesday the 9th. Oh, wowzers. A little bit of wind on Tuesday morning, which is interesting. Now, Tuesday's a big day for me because I get to fly. That's right. Come fly with me. Come fly, let's fly away. I'm not going to Bombay to have a gin. I'm not sure I'm allowed to say that. But I am flying to England on the Tuesday the 9th, which is nice. Tuesday afternoon, a little bit of breeze, a little bit of purple, which is nice on the way to Andaman Islands. It might be a touch bumpy at Andaman Islands, and it might be a touch bumpy coming back from Phi Phi, but nothing too much to worry about it. Let's look at Wednesday the 10th, which is the day that I land in London. That's right, I'm leaving on a jet plane. Do you know what? It's interesting. I was into a new radio station in Phuket called Radisson Red or Phuket Red or something like that. And there's a Filipino girl that does the lunchtime show and all she does is sing all the songs. And I've just realised that I sing all the songs and I was criticising her for singing the songs and now I'm doing it all the time. Shouldn't do that. I should just let her be. I'll let you be, Radisson Red. radish, red, whatever. Anyway, there you go. Wednesday the 10th looks good. Wednesday afternoon looks really good. So Wednesday afternoon is a great day to go out. You can even take our new sea bob out. That's right. Here it is. Look. Isn't that good? We've got a sea bob you can now hire. It's lovely, isn't it? Let's look at Thursday the 11th. Thursday the 11th, beautiful weather all around Phuket, Phang Nga Bay, Phi Phi and Andaman Islands. So Thursday the 11th looks a great day to go out. Let's look at Friday. Friday looks beautiful as well. A little bit, but there's nothing to worry about really from the Andaman Islands point of view. Friday afternoon looks great. So this week looks a great week to go out. Saturday the 13th. 13th, baby. A little bit of breeze in the morning down at Phi Phi. Once again, nothing to really worry about. Saturday afternoon looks great. And then Sunday the 14th, a little bit of breeze down in Phi Phi, but once again, it's only a light green, so nothing to worry about. Sunday afternoon, yeah, all good. So the entire week looks fantastic. A great week to go out, a great week to fly to England and go to the pub a lot and have English food. I'm very excited. I'm already 5 kilos overweight. I'm hoping to come back 10 kilos overweight. That's the plan. Eat, 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 and eat. Anyway, there you go. So that's your windy. Now let's look at this one, which is your acute weather. This just gives us the percentage of rain and the temperatures. At the moment, the temperatures range between 31 up to about 35. It is getting a bit stinking hot. In fact, we had the aircon on today in the daytime for the first time in a long time. Although my Christmas tree's up, it's a very barren Christmas tree at the moment. Might need to do something about that. But we're leaving on Tuesday, so it doesn't matter. But there you go. Chance of rain, 4%, 1%, 4%. So it's not going to rain next week, which is lovely. And then let's finally look at the TMD weather radar, which is pointless because this is live right now as I'm recording it. So it means absolutely nothing to you. So there you go. That's your Phuket weekly weather update for the second week. Not the first week, the second week of December. And it looks amazing. And do you know what? Next week I'll be doing the weather from England, which will be nice. I'll still be doing the Phuket weather weekly update, but it will be from England in the middle of the New Forest, which would be very nice. Maybe with fish and chips in my hand or a saveloy. I like a saveloy. Do like a saveloy. Or maybe some hula hoops, not the ones that go around your waist, the ones you eat and you put them on your fingers. If you're from England, you know you put hula hoops on your fingers. Anyway, looking forward to that. But there you go. That's your Phuket weekly weather update for the second week of December. Everything looks amazing. Everything looks great to go out. Go and check out our new sea bob, which you can take out. Oh, by the way, we are running out of boats for January. So if you want to go out in January, book now because we're running out. Or you might just have to take the sea bob, which is very cool. I like the sea bob. It's fun. So, thanks for watching, and I'm going to go and pack now and then get on my flight. Wish me luck. Thanks. Bye. Still waving. Still waving. Done waving now. Oh, you want to see my barren Christmas tree? All right, I'll show it to you. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. I'm singing again. I just said I shouldn't be singing. Anyway, look, there's my barren Christmas tree. Oh, see my snakes as well. 2 snakes there, and the mess on the mat. Anyway, happy Christmas! See you soon, bye!